What's up, Gadgeteers? Welcome back to Gadget Beer. Today we have a case accessory, and it's for the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and I've been waiting for this case for a while. You probably have too, and it is the Tudia Merge Grip case. So without further ado, let's take a look at this bad boy right here. Look at this beautiful thing right here. Merge Grip, uniquely designed protective case for the Google Pixel Fold 2. It is not the Google Pixel Fold 2 Tudia. It is the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, fool. I pity the fool. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this. I'll forgive him for this one. I'll forgive him. So the reason why this took a little longer was because of the whole MagSafe debacle back there. This whole thing threw everything off. But inside you're going to get the case itself. And a built-in screen protector. I don't like these type of screen protectors. It is not a tempered glass screen protector. It is a plastic screen protector. I tend to usually heat this up and punch it out and use my old screen protector. Typically, you can do it relatively simple. You know what? I'm going to do it because I want to show you how it will look with it on. And these things are like super on there, pretty strong. It's supposed to peel this protective film that it has on there. I think it does. Why would they put a sticker in? Why would they put a sticker on there if it, you know what I'm saying, if it does, if it's not gonna, yeah, it has a protective film on there, I believe. So let me go and heat this up real quick. I'll come back. Oh, never mind. I don't even have to heat it up. Look at that. Look at that. Just pop it out like that. But if you heat it up, it'll make it a lot easier to pop this screen protector off, because it just loosens up the adhesive, but it doesn't take too much force. See, it's not a tempered glass, but there is a plastic that those stickers are supposed to remove. It's just on there super tight. See, look at that. I knew I was right. So it's not actually pulling the plastic apart, and there's one on the inside too, and I don't know why it's so hard to remove. I can't even see it in here, but it's on there pretty on. Yeah, I don't see it. But anyways, let's go ahead and put that on. So let's grab the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Let's grab the front portion here. I do have a tempered glass from D brand currently installed, and it's gonna work just fine. Bam, look at that. I even like the attention to detail with Tudia. You see this little dip right here? What do you think that little dip is there for? You see this little dip here? It's so you can easily slide back and forth, and the case isn't intrusive when sliding or swiping, which is absolutely fantastic. Like if you slide up here, you kind of feel the lip. Right here, you don't feel the lip. So let's go ahead and place this bad boy in here like so too. Snap it in place. Very nice, good looking case actually from Tudia. So I'm surprised that Tudia made this thin. Look how thin it is. It keeps a very thin, minimal profile on the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Absolutely looks stunning. There is no hinge protection when folded. The front, you do have lip protection there all around the front, so you are protected if you lay your phone face down on a flat surface. And you have camera protection there around the back as well, so you are protected if you lay your phone face down on a flat surface. You're not going to mess up anything. This case stays on there pretty relatively well. You can open it. You can see how it looks open on the back. It looks very good. The hinge is covered when you fully opening, a little bit of Tudia branding there. The cutouts at the bottom are nice and precise, and you can also see how thin this bad boy is from there. The buttons are exposed on the side, so no issues with that. Cutouts on top also nice and precise, and no cutouts on the left side, but you got a little bit of grip pattern here on the bottom edge to add for support, and when you close it you have the same grip right here on both sides, so it just adds for grip support there. But the case absolutely looks and feels amazing. It's like a soft matted black, and then this is all the grip case back here. Looks absolutely fantastic. Now this thing is gonna wirelessly charge, and it is MagSafe compatible. Bam, you can see it wirelessly charged, and it is MagSafe compatible. Look at that, bam, 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 boom. Works just fine with any MagSafe accessory you have or any wireless charger. It's gonna work just fine. So there you have it, guys. This is Tudia Merge Grip Case. It is available in multiple colors if you want to go ahead and pick them up. Link will be in the description of the video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.